Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to your science class. In our previous class, the discussion of all the question answers of chapter number 13, the sun, moon and stars, are over. So today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 14, the art. It belongs to unit 6, natural phenomena. First, let us know what we will learn from this chapter. We will learn about the art and also about the movements of the art. As we know that our art, it is the third planet of our solar system. Solar system is what? The sun, all the 8 planets and their moons together, they form solar system. Yes, and art is the only planet where life can be found. Right? Life can be found out. Yes, we live on the earth. We means human beings, different kinds of animals, okay, trees, all those. Yes, and our earth is the only planet to have life on it. Yes, now see, in the beginning of this chapter, one activity time it is given here. Okay, what you have to do here, you have to color the picture, okay, and unscramble the names of the things found on the art. As here it is given the number 1, it is ERTE, it will be tree, like that. Okay, then second one RAI means air. Okay, so in this way you have to unscramble the words. Yes, and after that you have to color this picture. It is your assignment for today. Yes, you have to do it in your book only. Yes, let us now move to the topic, the art. The art is home to plants, animals and human beings. It is made up of land, water and air. Water is found in oceans, rivers and lakes. The art is surrounded by a thin layer of air called atmosphere. Atmosphere has many gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide. The art receives proper amount of light from sun. The presence of air and water makes life possible on the art. Yes. So what we have learned from this paragraph, that our art, it is the only planet, okay, where life can be found, right? And our art, it is made up of land, water and air. Water, it can be found in oceans, rivers and lakes. Yes, and there is a thin layer of air, okay, that surrounds the earth, and that layer, it is called atmosphere. Okay, and atmosphere, it is consist of many gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, all those. Okay, and our earth, it receives sunlight, okay, from the sun. Yes, and along with sunlight it gets heat also from the sun, right? And why our art, it is appropriate for living things? Because in art only air and water can be found, which are essential for living things. That's why due to the presence of air and water on our art makes life possible. Okay, now let us see the picture of the art. Okay, see the blue colors, it represents water, and this, all these are land. The amount of water, it is maximum or more than land. Yes, now the one question arises, how the art was formed. Yes, let us know it. It is believed that the art was formed many years ago. The art was very hot in the beginning. It cooled down slowly. Later, clouds were formed which caused rain. Slowly, living organisms started appearing on the art. Yes. So how the art was formed? It was formed many years ago. In the beginning of formation of art, it was very hot. Okay. But slowly it cooled down. Yes. And after that, clouds were formed. Because of clouds, rain caused, right? And slowly, very slowly, living organisms started appearing on the art. For this particular topic, one additional link it is given. All of you are asked to watch that video also. Okay. Now let us know more here. The art looks blue due to the presence of huge amounts of water. About 3/4 of the art surface it is covered with water. That's why our art, it looks blue in color. Okay, why? Because of presence of huge amount of water. Yes. Now the next topic is shape of the art. As we know that our art, it is what? Spherical. Yes. Long ago, people thought that the art was flat. Photographs of the art taken by astronauts from space showed that it is round. Okay, it is not flat, it is round. Who are astronauts? Astronauts are the people who go into space. Okay. And how we can prove that our art, it is round? Okay, for this, see here. If you stand at a seashore, observe a ship sailing away. Okay, here the picture it is given. The lower part of the ship disappears first, this part, and then the top part. Why? This is because the art is round like a ball. That's why the lower part of the ship, it disappears first. Have you thought why does the art appear flat to us? As it is round, but for us it appears flat. Why? This is because we can see only a tiny part of the huge art. This tiny part appears flat to us. Okay. When we see the art, okay, it appears flat as because we can see a very small part of the huge art. Okay. Actually, the shape of the art, it is round. Okay. With this, we are going to conclude today's class. Let us recall the topics that we discussed today. We started chapter number 14, the art. There we discussed about the art, how it was formed, right? And about the shape of the art. In our next class, we will discuss about the movements of the art. Those are rotation and revolution. And the home assignment for today is activity time, page number B50, which you have to do in your book. Yes, and in the additional link part, 2 links are given. You are asked to watch those videos also. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you everyone.